Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Instagram. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. Please try again. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error in your Instagram, sorry, there was a problem with your request, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your Play Store. Then search for the Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still your Instagram is not working, then once you have to uninstall and reinstall your Instagram app. For that, you need to long press the Instagram icon, tap on the app info. You can see here uninstall, just tap on the uninstall and tap on OK. After that, your Instagram app will be uninstalled, and reinstall it from your Google Play Store. After reinstalling, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then try the final method. Open your Chrome browser, then type your Instagram, tap on the login Instagram. Here you need to type your username and password and tap on the login. Now you can see, guys, you have successfully logged in your Instagram account. That's it, guys. So in this way you can fix sorry there was a problem with your request in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.